Hello everyone and welcome back. This video is a continuation of my previous video, so be sure to watch my previous video to get a better understanding of this one. This video, however, can also be used as an independent tutorial to make adjustment to your drafted sleeves. Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified when new video tutorials are uploaded. Leave your comment down below in the comment section. Share and like this video by clicking on the thumbs up icon. Thank you. There are many methods and ways to adjust or make alteration to a drafted sleeve if it's too big or too small. This video tutorial is to show you two of the many methods that can be used to make adjustment or alteration to a set-in sleeve to fit into the body's armhole pattern. Before going ahead to do the adjustment, I quickly test the fit of the sleeve on my arm to see where I would need to make the needed adjustments and by how much. My sleeve cap length measures 20.5 inches. And my combined armhole length measures 16.5 inches. The difference between them is the ease in the sleeve. So the ease in my sleeve sloper measures 4 inches, which is way too much for a set-in sleeve. If this sleeve were for a coat or jacket, the ease would have been okay. For a set-in sleeve, you need about half an inch to 1 inch ease. So I will need to make adjustment to the length of the sleeve cap. There are two ways or methods used in making adjustment to the length of the sleeve cap, either by making adjustment to the sleeve cap height or to the bicep circumference. To do an adjustment, the first thing to do is to cut out the sleeve. Be sure to cut along the curved line and not the straight line, which were a guideline to drafting the sleeve cap. The first method I'm going to show you is adjusting the bicep circumference. Cut the sleeve at the center to the wrist but not through it. To increase the cap length, spread the two pieces apart like so. To reduce the cap length, bring the two pieces to overlap like so, then trace your adjusted sleeve on a new drafting paper. Then smooth out all the edges and add your half an inch seam allowance. I will show the full process when demonstrating the second method. How much you spread or reduce is dependent upon how much longer or shorter you need your sleeve cap length to be. I'm going to tape the sleeve back together to show you the second method, adjusting the cap height. To expand or reduce the cap height, starting at the top, split the sleeve to the bicep point. Then from the bicep point, split along the bicep line all the way to the end but not beyond, so that the sleeve cap is not completely detached. To make the sleeve cap longer in length, spread out the cap like so to your desired height. And to make it shorter in length, bring the sleeve cap in like so to overlap to your desired height. Then use a tape to secure it in place when you have your desired height. How much you raise or lower your cap is dependent on how long or short your cap length needs to be. So I measured my cap length to see if I have my desired length and kept readjusting it until I reached my goal. My goal is for my sleeve cap to be between 17 inches to 17.5 inches, which will be half an inch to 1 inch more than my combined armhole length of 16.5 inches. Here I'm just doing a double check on my sleeve cap length, and once I was satisfied with the outcome, I moved on to the next step. Next step is to trace the adjusted sleeve onto a new paper. First, draw a center line on the new drafting paper, then place the adjusted sleeve so that both center line aligns, then secure with a tape. I am doing a double check again, and my cap length measures 17.5 inches, which is my desired goal. Like I said before, the sleeve cap should measure half an inch to 1 inch more than the combined armhole length, and my combined armhole length is 16.5 inches. So there is a 1 inch difference between the two measurements. That 1 inch is the amount of ease needed for a set-in sleeve. To finalize this process, go ahead and trace your adjusted sleeve onto a new paper. Then add half an inch seam allowance all around the sleeve. Use your ruler to retrace your new sleeve to make it more visible. To complete your sleeve, label all the important parts of your sleeve. There is yet another method, which is a combination of the bicep circumference method and the cap height method. In this method, you will spread and reduce both the bicep and cap height to your desired length and height respectively to get your desired cap length. Okay everyone, we've come to the end of this tutorial. If I have made drafting a basic sleeve a little bit easier to understand and helped further your fashion designing experience, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Share and leave your comment down below. Until my next video, bye!